In the fast-paced world of e-commerce, warehouse operations face increasing pressure to handle unpredictable orders while reducing packaging waste. Efficiency and sustainability must now go hand in hand. The iPack Dual by Sealed Air processes 2 box formats at once, increasing productivity and promoting sustainability, tackling e-commerce challenges head-on. Seamlessly integrating into workflows, this system combines boxing and 3D packaging in one solution, delivering tailored solutions that fit effortlessly with setups like packaging workstations, goods-to-man, and box-to-man systems. It automates packing to boost throughput without needing extra space or costly investments. With an intuitive design, the machine simplifies training, provides real-time support, and helps users achieve higher output with ease. The iPack Dual handles 2 box footprints simultaneously, precisely measuring each order's height to adapt box sizes. Its advanced conveyor system ensures accurate placement and flawless height adjustment. Instead of cutting, the system creases the box structure before applying glue to all corners, folding the tray, and securing the lid. This ensures a strong seal and optimal protection for your shipments. Minimizing void space reduces material and shipping costs, delivering perfectly packed, sustainable shipments every time. Optional enhancements, such as easy-open lids or customizable box designs, improve the unboxing experience, adding convenience your customers will value. 2 box formats, 1 compact machine. The iPack Dual offers scalable, cost-effective solutions for evolving logistics demands. The iPack Dual by Sealed Air. Smarter packaging for efficient logistics. Innovations that protect, deliver, and advance.